It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
Yes, sir. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, y'all, we have a special sneaker, one that I have been waiting for all year to cop. Yes, sir. You know, from the moment that we found out that this shoe would be coming back, it has been on the top of the list of the radar for your boy. Personally, for me, you know, I know a lot of people might not agree with this, you know, but that's the love of the game when it comes to the sneaker community. Everybody's gonna love specific sneakers based on their own personal beliefs, and what the reason why they're choosing it is because it's something that's special to them. Now, y'all already know, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy DaRetroWizKid, and don't forget to smash a like over here on the vid. Now, one thing that I want to say about this shoe, when I start back collecting shoes and like really taking it serious, at first I was like, you know what, I don't really have to have like no really big collection. I was just buying stuff that I really wanted and stuff like that. And one thing about me when it came to Jordans, hence the name retro, I've always been a fan of OG sneakers. I've always wanted to have all of the original Jordan colorways when it came down to the retros, and then I always wanted to complete 1 through 23 when it came to the Jordans, because 23 I feel like was probably one of the last big retros that a lot of people was messing with before I felt like they really just moved straight into like basketball sneakers. And I mean, the 23 to me and the 22, they kind of look really true like court shoes to me, but it is what it is, man. But this sneaker right here, I have been waiting for it to come back. Now, y'all, me personally, this might be my #1 sneaker of 2022 when it comes to the Air Jordans. So let's jump straight into it. Now, y'all, I tried to wait. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I tried to wait. I ordered this shoe. Actually, I had a little offer in on GOKU, and on Christmas Eve, it got accepted. Now, I tried to wait to look at this shoe and unbox it with you guys, but I just couldn't do it because I was so excited to see this shoe. So with all that being said, y'all should know this is the last Jordan of 2022, man. Y'all should see it right there. Let's get these bad boys out the box. GOKU moved extremely fast with these, man. I'm telling you, I placed the order on Saturday and I got the shoe today, which is Wednesday, and y'all already know what time it is, man. We have the Air Jordan Retro 2 Chicago's. Now, the one thing I will say, GOKU, come on, man, you ain't have to send me a pair with a messed up box right there. I know it's just like slight, but come on, G. But y'all already know, your boy already took a nice little peek at these bad boys, and we gonna go ahead and get these things about the box. And right here we have the Air Jordan Retro 2 Chicago, y'all. These right here were just a must have for your boy, man. Y'all do not understand. When I first like really got back in to collecting the sneakers and everything, and like really just taking care of them, and you know, just really paying all that true love and respect to the culture and to the game, and just, you know, everything about it, this was the #1 shoe that was on my radar that I wanted to get. You know, I wanted to get a pair of the Royals, and I wanted these. Now, I was able to get the other OG white and red pair, but when I tell y'all that the materials on these compared to what they gave us the last time they retroed one of the OGs, especially like when I'm thinking back, you know, we did get, hold up, I'm gonna grab them for you guys. Let me grab them. So we did get the white and red joints that came out, and I mean, don't get me wrong, these are fire. These are super fire, but the quality and the materials on the newer pair of Chicago 2s just feel so much better than these. Now, these being the low top Chicago 2, I was the only person at the store to get these when these came out, and I was living in Germany at the time, but I really wanted that Chicago that I just showed you guys. And that to me is probably one of the best releases this year by Jordan Brand. Jordan Brand did a lot of dope things with the sneakers this year, as they do every year, but man, these Chicagos right here, The upper feels so much better. The way that they did the heel and ankle and the tongue area of this sneaker just feels like they really tried to give us a nostalgic reimagine. And I'm going with reimagine because you know what I'm saying, and they've been doing the reimagine look. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the reimagine on these bad boys. But y'all already done tried the shoe on, even though I didn't lace it up. You know, Nike branding on the inside, Nike back there. You know, you got your Wings logo. I feel like they did a great job with the leather material that they used on this, as well as on the toe box and everything. Twos is one of the most underrated sneakers in the game. When it comes to the Jordan lineup, you gotta give that respect to the Air Jordan 2, man. Especially this colorway right here. The Chicago Air Jordan 2 being one of the most iconic Air Jordan 2s in the game. In the history of the Jordan 2s, this one right here just shits on all of them, man. Just shits on them. It is the best Air Jordan 2 in my personal opinion. I mean, a lot of things happen in this signature shoe right here, in this colorway specifically, and that's why, you know what I'm saying, I wanted to give you guys these first looks, these first thoughts. I want to find out from you guys, how do you guys feel about the Air Jordan 2? Will you be going after the Air Jordan 2 when it drops this Friday? I know I did not get exclusive access on Finish Line today or JD Sport for them. I know out here in my area, they only have Champs doing the ship to me, and it's 3 Foot Lockers getting these. So, you know, a little bit more limited than what a lot of people might be expecting when it comes to these right here. But this one right here is definitely a must cop in the book for me. I will never disrespect the OG colorway. And this one right here, like how I love the Royal Ones, this is my favorite Air Jordan 2. I gotta get a double up. Easy, man. Easily, I need another pair. I need another pair, man. If I can get 3, I'll get 3. And I mean, guys, I get it. We had the Chicago Ones come out this year. But the thing is about the Chicago Ones that I love how they told a story, you know, giving us that lost and found type vibe. But we got those in 2015. Then we got those also in 2013. We have not seen this one in a grip. And especially getting hit with the nice box presentation, the little card that comes with it and all that good stuff, and just giving it a nostalgic vibe to the Air Jordan 2 OG. I gotta say that this is just incredible that I'm able to finally have this sneaker in my collection, y'all. Y'all have no idea, the hunt is over. I finally have a pair of Chicago 2s in my collection of the high OG. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But y'all let me know what you guys think about these. Stay tuned to the channel for the full detailed review and on feet. I just wanted to find out y'all's thoughts and opinions, give you guys a first look at these bad boys. And I mean, y'all, box presentation on point too. Just like the Mama in year 2s, you know what I'm saying? You getting that box presentation is on point on these, and I will say that they did their thing with the box presentation. And like I said, and then of course on the inside, I got all the goodies. I got the GOAT stuff, and then I also got the little card. We'll get all into all that stuff when we do the full detailed review. We'll get all into all of that. But yes, man, Air Jordan Retro 2 Chicago's in the building. Stay tuned to the channel because we will be going over my top 10 pickups that were underrated. My top 10 underrated pickups. Then of course we will do the top 10 sneaker pickups that I picked up this year as well. And I just want you guys to know, when I do these videos, it's what I picked up. I don't go off of top 10 sneakers of the year. These are the top 10 sneakers I picked up. If I don't have it, I can't put it in my top 10. I'm not gonna do it. Now, if you guys want me to do a top 10 all time of all the shoes that came out, comment that down below and I will do that as well. But stay tuned, I will be doing my underrated 10 sneakers that I picked up this year, as well as my top 10 sneakers that I picked up. These are the Air Jordan 2 Chicagos. Enough being said about these bad boys. Stay tuned to the channel, y'all. Stay tuned to the channel, y'all. I promise you guys. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell if you guys are new. Yes, sir. These are definitely a must cop and double up worthy, triple up worthy if you ask me. But Air Jordan 2s, it is your boy DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go app, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.